Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Now I am going to tell a topic of 6th standard riddle, that is first one, food. My dear friends, we eat food. I will tell a question to you: where does food come from, or why do you eat food? You can tell that we eat food for energy. Eat food for walk. We can get energy to write, to speak. So my dear friends, we eat food for energy. Like that only we make the food with some ingredients. So first we will discuss ingredients only. What is ingredients, my dear friends? First I want to give an example of plain rice. We are making a plain rice. We need water, salt and raw rice. Then only we can make plain rice. So plant the water and salt and raw rice are ingredients, which are known as materials. In a science, we as calling material, we call as ingredient. So my dear friends, next come towards, I am eating the rice, my friend is eating roti, and my other friend is eating dosa. You can contact with your outside who is living outside of the country. You can contact with him and you can take the information what they are eating. They are also eating different foods. So my dear friends, I want to tell that all are eating different food. It means all are eating different foods, means food, there are food varieties. It is known as food varieties. Next come towards, my dear friends, we are eating that food. What are that food contains? What are the resources of that food? My dear friends, the food sources are divided into two types. The first one is plant sources, and second one is animal sources. In that two, the plant source is the main important, because maximum food we eat, that food contain maximum and plant sources. So my dear friends, we are eating a chapati. It contain wheat. It come from the plants. So my dear friends, for example, you have gone to the village. You have seen that they are farming field. In that farming field, they are in a rice is grown in a row. So my dear friends, that rice will come to us for eating. So that the plant is the source, and we are getting the food by the sources. So next come towards, and we eat plants parts also, like some parts, like we eat plants part like stem, root, leaves, flowers. So my dear friends, we eat maximum plants only. So next come towards animals. We eat animals also, because we eat animal meat, milk and eggs. My dear friends, in these three, egg is the most important, milk is the most important. Why it is most important? Because milk, by the help of milk we can make cheese, butter, curd, etc. So milk is the most important. Now come towards what the animal eat. We are eating food. But what are animal eating? Who have the pet, they know what the cat are eating, what the dog are eating, but not he don't know what the snake ate. So my dear friends, that's why the animals are divided into three groups. First group, the animals which eat only plants are known as herbivorous. The animals which eat only flesh, meat, are known as carnivorous. And the third is the animals which eat flesh, meat as well as plant are known as carnivorous. These are the three groups which defined in the animals. So next come towards the food which we eat. We get sufficient food. But what about the poor peoples? They didn't get the sufficient food. They have to work hard to get one roti also. But we have to thank to the God that we get food, or sufficient food, and food varieties. So my dear friends, we have to conserve the food. We didn't have to waste the food, or we have to conserve the food, and we have to grow the plants, so we can get our food from plants only. So not only by planting, we have to find out the ways how we can provide to the poor people's food. So last I will say that please conserve the food, and how much you need food, that only you eat. Thank you for listening me. Thank you all of you.